Inside your bone marrow, a relentless factory is at work, producing 2 million red blood cells every single second. It starts with a multipotent stem cell that commits to becoming a pro-erythroblast. As it matures, the cell begins synthesis of hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen. You can see the change as the cell's internal machinery fills with iron, shifting its color from blue to a vibrant red. Then comes the most dramatic transformation. The cell ejects its own nucleus. This sacrifice makes room for more hemoglobin and creates the iconic biconcave shape we recognize. Now called a reticulocyte, it leaves the marrow factory and enters your bloodstream to mature. This entire process is controlled by your kidneys. When they detect low oxygen, they release the hormone erythropoietin, or EPO. This chemical signal hits the marrow like a gas pedal, ensuring your body always has the oxygen it needs to survive.